At the burn, got some pieces hung. We're gonna do a little bit of painting here. Trunk lid or hatch, and two bumpers and the taillight pockets and the gas door. So we're just hung these up. I'm gonna give them a final wash, and then we're gonna get some nice vibrant green hues on these things. All right. So I like to use the microfiber towels to clean, because there's no lint. I already washed these once, but I'm washing them again. Cleaner the better. Try to get stuff as clean as you can before you paint. So I like to wash stuff twice. Oh, tack rag. Where did I put that? Right here. This is how I like to. I open my tack rags up. I totally unfold them. Buddy taught me this when I first started doing bodywork. This is how he taught me, and I've been doing it ever since. So I totally open them up all the way. I take it and bunch it. Just like that. And that's how I open my tack rag and tack everything off. So we'll give her a good tack. This thing's gonna swing around when I'm painting. Hate that, but it's the only way I can do the inside and outside at the same time, so. We'll make her work. We'll make her work. These are gonna, everything here is gonna swing around like crazy, but I want to get paint on the inside of these too, just so they're not too ugly. Should still be ugly on the inside, but not as ugly. I just blew some paint on that last time I was painting, just quick, just because it was hanging there and I decided to do it. So it keeps losing me. It's probably because I keep moving out of its range, but so I just need the ring from that cup there. Wasn't really planning on spraying these today, but you know what? I got them all hung and paint bay's all clean. Walls are all freshened up, new filters up in the intake, new filter in the exhaust. I said, well, might as well get them done. Then tomorrow I can get more done, so. It's not gonna get done if we keep putting it off. So, here it is. We're gonna shoot some green on this. I just want to, we'll get the fan going here. We'll get the fan going. Shut that door. Shut that door. Noisy old thing. Just one more quick tack, and it's never gonna hurt it. Not gonna hurt it. Just a quick tack. Cleaner the better. Cleaner the better. All right, like I said, I'm gonna do a quick coat first, get her nice and tacked up, then we can layer on a little heavier the next two coats. All right, set this up. Probably have this cranked. All right, first light coat here. I'm just Here she is, 3 coats. Anyways, these are the few pieces that got the first round on them. Now they got to get blocked and cleared. Make them perfectly smooth. So that's what they look like. So I'll get the next round geared up. Hey guys, back in the barn here. So I'm going to take you in the booth, try to hold this camera and do a second coat on this hood and couple doors I got going here. So we'll see what happens. See if I can get paint with one and hold with the other. All right, here we go. All right. She's bright green. So we're going to do 4 coats on this because I'm going to end up blocking this down, and I'm going to do 3 or 4 coats of flow coat on it. Should try to get that up over my shoulder. So my poor, freshly painted white garage is turning green. Oh well. It's hard to keep the camera at the right angle and try to watch what I'm doing. Make sure all the edges are good. Using the old Awada WS400, it's my favorite gun. I want to get the Series 2, but haven't got to get it yet. I'm in Canada, so they're crazy expensive. Price went through my Snap-on dealer, it's like $2,300. So that's why I haven't got one yet. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring you guys in for a close-up spray session. So there you have it. Alright. Have a good one. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe.